dosha is vata. Composition air plus ether. Function movement. Only vata has the movement. Pitta and kapha have no movement. If vata disturbs, then later it will disturb pitta and kapha also, because it's moving the things. Yeah. So this is vata. First we will talk about the qualities of the vata. Vata is dry, light, cold, mobile, erratic, rough, subtle, and astringent. The quality of vata is dry, light, cold, mobile, erratic, rough, subtle, and astringent. And once you write, then I will explain you everything. What is dry quality, what is light quality. So this is in one sentence. What is vata? This is vata. Dry, light, cold, mobile, rough, and astringent. Yeah. I will tell you everything. Yeah. So you just write, and I will explain you. So first quality, dry quality. Yeah. So if somebody is vata person, he has more tendency to get dry skin, dry hairs, dry colon, means tendency of constipation. So first quality, dry quality. Vata people have more dry skin. If you talk about the skin, these people will say, I need more moisturizer for the skin. Or if I don't use, or winter it goes more dry. Yeah. And dry hairs. The scalp also dry. They have more tendency to get dry scalp or dandruff. So these people, if they don't wash 2-3 days the hairs, instead of oil, dryness comes in the scalp. Yeah. They wash to bring the moisture back. And dry colon. In the digestive system also less water. So tendency of constipation. So these people needs more water, more oil, more lubrication. External also, internal also. So they need more water to drink. Some people all the time whatever they drink, they feel thirsty. They drink a lot of water. This is vata people. So vata people need more external oiling, like a cream, lubrication, more internal oiling and more water to drink due to the dry quality. Sometimes the vata people, whenever they are at home, they go toilet every day, taking 3 meals properly, drinking enough water, they will go toilet every day. But whenever they are traveling, they are in the irregular lifestyle, or they are doing lots of yoga, lots of physical activity, they get constipated. Yeah. So because at that time they need more water, more proper diet, balanced diet, or more regular hours of eating. Yeah. So this is clear, right? So the first quality is dry quality. Second quality is light. So these people are skinny people. Gaining weight difficult. And losing easy. So these people always towards skinny. If these people get stressed, they will lose 4-5 kg in 1 month. If they are doing in the yoga, you have vata people, pitta people and kapha people. Vata will lose 2-3 kg at least the weight. Pitta will be moderate and kapha will be maybe on the same level. So these people gaining weight difficult. So they takes time to gain weight. When they're losing time with the stress, with the physical activity, they lose weight very easily. Put weight on belly and face. So some people, the tendency, whenever they gain weight, it comes more on the belly, more on the face. So this is the Vata people have the tendency, they put more weight on the belly or on the face. So with little effort they can lose very easily. When you talk about them in the childhood, they will say, I was a skinny child and I was very shy. So if you see skinny and shy child, skinny and shy teenager, this is the Vata person. So they are slim and not very talkative. Sometimes they will say half. The new people shy, but when I am in connection, then I am talking. This is also Vata. So like strangers, they don't talk immediately. And in childhood, it's more clear. Yeah. With the adult age, when you mature, then people say, now I am getting good in conversation. So now I feel more open because of the interaction and the things in education. But this is the Vata tendency. When you are in the childhood, in the teenage, more shy, then afterwards you are opening. Yeah? So this is clear. Skinny people, gaining weight difficult, losing easy, and put weight on belly and face. This I can clear now. Then third quality, cold quality. In winters, cold hands, cold feet, and poor blood circulation. So Vata peoples in winters, cold hand, cold feet and poor blood circulation. When you talk about the weather, they will say, I like warm weather, I like hot weather. In winter too difficult, and you just ask winter, they will say, I hate winters. My hands get blue, white or purple and very cold, so I have always wear socks and gloves and cover me properly. So this is the Vata quality. They enjoy warm or hot weather. Enjoy warm weather, yeah? They hate winters, they don't like. So I will talk about dry, light and cold quality. Now mobile quality. Mobile shows activeness. They are physically and mentally very active. Physically, they don't want to sit at one place. If they are sitting at one place, they will without any reason they will get up, they will look behind, they will do some postures, stretching. So sitting at one place very difficult. So sometimes without any cause they will also go around. So if you say a Vata person sit this place and return to do sit in meditation, so the hardest work for them. So and mentally many kinds of thoughts. If they are sitting quiet, many kinds of thoughts, disjoint thoughts. No connection. Today talking something else and tomorrow the new thing will come. So many thoughts, disjoint thoughts, all the time thinking. They can make a small seed a big mountain in their imaginations. And expressing things because of the shy nature, expressing very difficult. To say straightforward, a Vata person is very difficult. If they are feeling bad or they know they are right, even then they will not talk very straight. They will say how the person will react. So it's very difficult for themselves to express. Yeah? So they are the small things they keep inside, they brood, they think a lot, maybe it disturbs their sleep, the other things, but saying difficult. Yeah? And so many thoughts also. So when you say that stress related problems, insomnia, depression, these kind of things, these are the Vata problems. So Vata people more easily get these kind of things, not to expression, holding the things inside. So this is clear?
Yes.
All the nervous system related problems are Vata problem, muscular problems Vata problem, skeletal related problems. So three systems: skeletal system, Nervous system, muscular system, typical Vata. Yeah. So muscle pain when you get stiffness in the joints or these problems Vata, nervous system related problems Vata problems. Then comes erratic quality. Erratic quality, erratic means irregular. So their habits, irregular habits. Sometimes they eat a lot, sometimes not feeling hungry. Sometimes sleeping very good, sometimes they get up midnight but not sleeping. So this is the erratic quality, irregular quality. Especially sleeping and eating habits. So whenever you want to balance Vata, you have to be regular in eating 3 meals properly and sleeping in time around 10 o'clock. Not go back to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, Vata disturbs mood. So these people, whenever you want to balance Vata, 2 things you have to balance at least. The eating hours, fix the hour that I will take breakfast around 8:30, 8 to 8:30, it means you have to take every day. And if you are saying this hours I will sleep, every day you have to sleep on that time, the Vata will balance. And it's most difficult also for them. And when it is disturbed, it is more difficult. So this is the third, next quality, erratic, and afterwards comes rough. So roughness in the body like a dry quality, so there will be same quality like roughness. So if they take any food which has less water or which is very dry, they don't feel good. Because, so due to the rough quality, they need, like a food they are taking, they have to put some oil for the lubrication. Sometimes you heard the click sound in the joints. This is the rough quality. Little oils, little water is less, so they get these kind of things very easily. When you want to balance them, so this you will balance with the oily diet, little oil or little watery things. With the food we will talk, yeah? So dry and roughness, almost same kind of things. And then comes subtle quality. Subtle quality related with the emotions. So they have a problem, nervousness, anxiety, stress, worries, these kind of things related with the subtle quality. Due to the subtle quality, they can feel very easily nervous. If there is any conflict, the Vata people, instead of talking back, they will feel palpitation. They want to run away. If you ask them how you deal with the conflicts, they will say, I avoid conflicts. Because they know if they are in the conflict, they will get more stressed. They will get more tension, or they will brood inside and can't express even they are right. So these qualities are under subtle quality, nervousness, anxiety, stress, worries, all mental problems. Yeah?
And also down.
Yeah, these all things are in this category. Yeah? And then comes astringent. Astringent is the taste of Vata. We have 6 tastes: sweet, sour, basic taste, sweet, sour, salt, astringent, pungent and bitter. So astringent is drying and choking taste. It is drying and choking taste. If you eat something and afterwards you feel your mouth is getting dry.
Could you give an example of dry and choking taste?
I will. This time to going. Yeah?
Choking.
So when you eat anything which has less water, so like a bread, you take a simple piece of bread and afterward the bread absorbs the saliva of your mouth and then you feel difficulty in swallowing. This is the drying and choking. And when you take unripe fruits, green fruits, and when you eat green banana, unripe banana, immediately you feel mouth is getting dry. If you say clove oil, clove. Clove is also absorbing when you put. So this is drying and the choking fruits, basically unripe fruits. So all unripe fruits. Example you can say, all unripe fruits, these are astringents. So this kind of things not good, because one way they have already less water and they eat something which absorb the less. So you will get more disturbed. So one thing you are missing already. So then you take something which absorb all the, so disturbance will be more. They will get more constipated. So always for the Vata people we say take warm food, take cooked food, cook food with water, not very dry cooking, roasting, curdling. This is not the way of Vata. And so this is the taste, astringent taste, but pungent and bitter also aggravate Vata. Pungent, when you take chili, ginger, garlic, onion, also not good for Vata. And bitter taste, like raw salads, green salads, they are raw, they are also not so good for Vata. All unripe fruits. So these are the basic quality of Vata: dry, light, cold, mobile, erratic, rough, subtle, astringent. If you have any question, you can ask me. Then I will tell you how to balance. According to the qualities, we will talk how to balance Vata. Then we will talk about 5 types of Vata. Vata is one, but in all body, according to the function, we divide it in 5 types. But whenever you want to balance this Vata, you can go on the same things. Yeah? Like Prana Vata is disturbed, you have to do same kind of diet, same kind of things if other Vata disturbed. Yeah? So this I will explain you. This is clear?